Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Roblox on your phone. You can follow the steps. First, launch your Roblox app in your phone, or you can download and install the Roblox app if you do not have it yet. And tap on the sign up button to create a new account. And you have to enter your date of birth and username as well. And your password as well. And gender is optional. You can also tap on it if you want, or you can simply ignore this option and tap on the sign up. And you can also save the password with smart lock too if you prefer. So here we can see guys, we just signed up for the Roblox on my phone. And you have to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign up process, which may include verifying your email address. You could see on the top that says finish account setup, so tap on the add email, or you can also add your phone, which is just beside it, and you can enter your email and tap on the continue button. And you have to click the link in the confirmation email that Roblox sent it to my mail. And here we could see the Roblox has sent me a mail. Tap on that, and right here that says verify your email, so tap on the verify email. So that is it guys, we just verified your email, and once you've completed these steps, you will have successfully signed up for a new Roblox account on your phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming uploads.